Good morning. Let's begin our math lesson. Today you're going to need workbook pages 19 and 20. And we will be talking about things that are alike and different. We're going to sort things that have similar features. So an example of this might be if I was in a classroom and I looked around and I noticed, oh, there's some girls in this classroom and there's some boys. So I might put all the girls in one group and all the boys in another group. Another way I might do this is I might look around and I might say, there's some kids here with brown eyes, there's some kids here with blue eyes, and there's some kids with green eyes. I think I'll sort all the blue-eyed children into one group, all the green-eyed into another group, and all the brown-eyed into another. I would be sorting alike and different. So today we're going to look at this worksheet and we're going to just sort things that are the same and different. Okay, so grab your pencil and you might want to write your name at the top. And let's start. By the red star, we have to choose the two socks that are alike. Now, I have a black stripy, I have a polka dotted one, and I have a purple stripy. You can barely see my purple stripy one on the computer, but on your page it should be more clear. So, stripe, polka dot, stripe. I have two stripy socks. So I'm going to put the stripy socks in a group. They don't match perfectly, but they are alike because they're both striped. By the blue star, I'm going to circle the two that are alike. So a pair of boots, I have some Mary Janes, and I have another pair of Mary Janes. Well, the Mary Janes and Mary Janes are both the same type of shoes. The boots are different. Now I need to look at these buttons. So I have three different buttons here. A red, a blue with some stripes, and a purple. Well, I noticed that the red and the purple are both solid. The other thing that's similar with these is they have 4 holes, and the blue one only has 2. So I'm going to put the red button and the purple button in the same group. The blue button is different from these two. Now I'm going to look at the bottom. This one is very tricky, and you could really probably sort this a couple of different ways. This shirt has a pattern, this shirt's plain, and this shirt has a pattern. So I could potentially say this one and this one go together. But that's not what I'm going to do. I'm going to sort these based on the fact that both of these shirts have sleeves and they also have buttons. This shirt has no sleeves, and it doesn't have any buttons either. So I'm going to put these two shirts together. All right? So we're sorting alike and different. Let's flip our page, and let's continue. All right, so on this side, instead of circling the two that are alike, we're going to mark out the one that is different. By the red star, this is really easy. I have 2 red packs and a blue backpack. Well, the blue one doesn't belong. That was easy peasy. If I go to the green star, I have a big Duplo block, I have a wooden block, and another Duplo block. Well, the wooden block is different than the other two, so I'm going to exit out. Over here, I have 3 pencils. I have 2 short pencils and 1 tall pencil. It's also a little bit fatter, so I'm going to get rid of this tall pencil. It does not fit with the other two. And by the yellow star, I have a paint palette, which has 2 red splotches of paint and a yellow splotch. Let's get rid of the yellow because the yellow is the one that is different. Okay? So, finish your worksheet. Make sure you place it back in your math folder and have a great day.